Alrighty, what's up? Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's SLP update for Sunday, 3rd of March. And what an incredible site right now. I'm just looking at SLP. Okay, it's not really that incredible, but you're actually on the verge to make a breakout. And yesterday's video was called 3rd of April. And the 3rd of April because this is a day of a decision. And from this day, you're going to see SLP maybe start to go absolutely wreck. Okay, you want to take out all the bears on the streets. You want to actually shed blood on the streets. And by the way, happy Ramadan to every single Muslim out there. It's been a blessed month. Look at me, 10,000 subs. Are you a part of it? If you're not, come in. Let's go to the 15k. Be a new member here. I want you to actually come in, and not only that, I do have a trading course for you. If you want to get this trading course for 29 bucks, join the Discord and message me on the Discord. I'm gonna tell you how you can get it for 29 bucks. Paying with cryptocurrency, okay? If you want to pay with crypto. Anyway, so here we are, and right now I told you that there's this resistance over here, and that apex is coming by 5 of April. But today I am expecting SLP to actually break out completely and go to the upside. I'm actually on the favor of an upside, but we do know that in crypto you can actually flip to the downside as well. So if you ever look at SLP doing something like that and start to flip to the downside and taking out 191 potentially, which is going to be you know this level right over here. I'm going to show you that one, 0.0190, and if you start to take it out, then you're potentially going to roll even way more down. So you don't want to lose the 190. It's okay, it's safe, absolutely safe at this point of time. The movement is doing in the small time frame, it's okay. It's just a sideways movement, boring sideways movement actually. So here we are, and it seems like we're already breaking out of that range over here. Okay, so previously you did make a fake out there, you made a fake out here, you made one fake out here, but this looks like it's about to actually make a complete breakout, and then you start to shoot to the upside. So the next technical target basically for me is actually this level. I do expect this one to go up there, and that's going to be a nice lovely pump from there to there, nearly 50%, as I've been saying in the previous videos as well. SLP is looking damn good right now. The charts are beautiful to the eyes, they're cool to the eyes. The movement, the slow movement that it's doing is completely okay, and I'm expecting this kind of movement a little bit. So from here you go down, you move sideways, do accumulation, go up 309, 408, take that one, and I'm expecting 0.0718. Maybe in April, maybe in May, who knows. If things get really bullish, you're gonna see boom, you go up there. It's believable. Anything is believable in crypto. You can actually 2-3x just like that when it comes to cryptocurrency. And given that, finger crossed, you don't want to lose the 190 to go to the downside once again. So that's it for this video update, guys, and do check out the course. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.